This video will show you how to use the Living by Chemistry Electron Dot Molecule Builder. So we're going to start with a simple methane that we've built before, CH4. So we know we need one carbon and 4 hydrogens. And this one I can just slide right in here and make a bond there. I bring it in. So now what we've got, this carbon is sharing one of its electrons. This hydrogen is sharing one. That bond, as always, is 2 shared electrons, and hydrogen now has its valence shell full. So we are going to rotate one of these here and place it in place. Okay, up, back. Okay, that'll work. And we can put this one right in there and rotate this guy once and put it right there, and rotate this one once the other way and put it there. And there's methane. Again, this central carbon has 8 electrons around it, 4 of its own and 4 that are sharing, 1 from each hydrogen, and each hydrogen has 2 electrons completing its valence shell as well. So that's in the explore mode. You can create whatever you need in there. You can also go to the practice mode where they're going to give you some molecules to build. So here, for example, is C2H2. And when we go to C2H2, we can actually check and see if we got it right. So if we threw out 2 of these carbons that like we normally build with, and we bond them together, we still need 6 hydrogens to go around that. So that's not going to work. Let's clear that out. Let's look at the different types of carbon we can bond with. So here's our 4-bond carbon. Here, this only has 3 places to bond. 3. This only has 2 places to bond. So we can put a hydrogen here and a hydrogen on the other side. So let's try pulling 2 of these out. Notice these are the same. They're just rotated 180 degrees. And if I lock this in here, we now have what we call a triple bond between these 2 carbons. Each carbon is sharing 3 electrons and receiving 3 shares from the other. Now we only need a couple more hydrogens in here. So we go back to our hydrogen table. We can put one right there, and we can take another one and give it a quick rotation. And there we go. So now we've got this hydrogen has 2 shared electrons around it, 1 bond consisting of 2, 1 from the hydrogen, 1 from the carbon. This hydrogen has the same. This carbon has 8 around it. It has 6 here, 3 of its own and 3 shared by the other carbon, and 2 here. 6 plus 2 makes 8. Same thing for this carbon. 6, 3 of its own and 3 shared, and then 1 of its own over here and 1 shared. So that should be the correct setup. Let's try check. And it says yes, the structure is possible. And then we can also click here to see show bonds. Sometimes we'll draw these with lines. You've seen these in diagrams before. We will draw them with lines. A line represents 2 shared electrons. You can look at that either that way or that way. Generally, when we do this, we're going to want to build it with electrons and not the lines. That's all there is to it.